Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Craft Vibe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more colorful and fun die craft idea every week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super creative eco-friendly newspaper hut. It is made completely using an old newspaper. All the material you need are super simple. I'll show you everything step by step. It's very easy. So let's begin. Take an old newspaper, cut it, roll it with and stick it with the help of glue. Hope you can see here. Make the roll first so later we can stick it. So you can see here how I have rolled. For making a small decorative star, here I used a glitter sheets. Just by using newspaper and glue, hut is ready now. Also you can see a tiny newspaper chair and table too. Inside the hut, it's decorated with the stars. Finally, beautiful newspaper hut is ready. So loving, right? I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to the Colorful Craft Vibe. Thank you for watching.